Wyman restores and revitalizes leather with ease. Formulated with 4 natural conditioners, Wyman leather conditioning wipes renew leather's soft, supple feel as they clean. Just wipe, buff, and see your leather revived to its original beauty. Try Wyman leather conditioning wipes on furniture, shoes, bags, and car interiors. No wonder more people trust Wyman than any other brand. Find them in the cleaning aisle.
When selecting a leather care product, it's important to first evaluate the condition of your leather. For leather surfaces that are older and neglected, we recommend using a 2-step approach for best results. Start by using Meguiar's Gold Class Leather and Vinyl Cleaner to remove any dirt and grime, following with Meguiar's Gold Class Leather Conditioner to moisturize, condition, and protect the surface. If your leather surfaces are only lightly soiled, or you are looking for a quick and easy solution, our Ultimate Leather Detailer or Meguiar's Gold Class 3-in-1, available in different forms, are your best bet. These 3-in-1 formulas easily clean, condition, and protect in one easy step.
Leather Honey, the #1 best-selling leather care product on Amazon, was developed by our family in 1968. Millions of satisfied customers turn to our time-tested, all-natural formula to protect their leather. They trust our small family business and the premium products we're proud to stand behind. Whether you have new leather you want to protect and maintain, or old leather to bring back to life, our cleaner and conditioner are here to help. Caring for your leather is easy with Leather Honey. Simply dilute the Leather Honey leather cleaner with water. Apply the solution to a cloth and gently wipe down your leather. Once the leather is completely dry from cleaning, you're ready to condition. A little Leather Honey conditioner goes a long way. Squeeze a small amount of conditioner on a lint-free cloth, then coat the leather in a thin, even layer. The decades-old formula was developed to penetrate deep into the leather's pores and stay there. One treatment makes the leather water repellent and lasts at least 6 months. Once coated, allow the leather to dry a minimum of 2 hours, preferably overnight. If excess conditioner remains, gently wipe it off with a clean, lint-free cloth. You'll be amazed at how long your leather lasts and how great it looks and feels with proper care from Leather Honey. Welcome to the Leather Honey family. We're glad you're here.